Hey Beyond Style fam! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Q and I make videos on beauty, fashion, and I also do lifestyle vlogs. So if you like what you see here, if you like my vibe, if I made you laugh, then please hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
I hold on to my heart, share with nobody. I don't want nobody else. Yeah, I hold on to my heart, give it up for nobody.
All right, y'all, as you can see, I have snatched off my wig. Before I get into the wig, showing you guys some styles and all that good stuff, I do want to share the unboxing with you so you have an idea of what it looks like straight out of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll those clips and then I will meet you back here. Let's just get into it, okay? So the first thing I want to say is the headbands. The only one I actually liked is the leopard print one, which I thought was nice, and this black one with the floral print. Like, I don't mind it. The other ones, this one, I think there was another one, but I can't find it. I don't care for the prints. They're too busy for me. I'm more of a neutral plain girl, so black, white, gray, brown, navy blue, and like a green, you know, something that can go with all of your outfits. So these are the only two that I will probably be wearing out of the pack. The wig. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing that I didn't like was the headband on the wig is only ear to ear. The rest of the headband in the back is kind of like free falling, so it's not connected to the wig in the back. The other thing is the headband on my size head, and I think I have an average size head. I don't know, but I think it's average. It's too big. Like, the headband in the back is too big, so it doesn't really feel super snug like I like my wigs to be. So what I did to try and help that was I used some hemming tape, and I tried to kind of just hem up one side to make it a little bit shorter. And what I will be doing is actually unhemming it and then cutting off the Velcro ends, because I don't want those on there, and I simply just want to tie it in the back because that is what makes it super snug for me, and that's how I like it. And honestly, the Velcro, it starts to mat up and kind of tangle the back of the hair. Also, like, it'll snag my little kitchen back here because it's just too loose. It's not like super flesh on my skin, and it's a no for me. So we're just gonna cut it off, which is what I'm going to do now. Simply just cut these ends. All right, so I cut off the Velcro ends, and I'll just simply be tying it at the back of my neck, which will be to my liking. It'll be nice and snug, and you know, it'll be all good. Other than that, you guys, honestly, I've been wearing this little headband wig for a few days now. I did wash it, condition it, and then I left some conditioner in it just as a styling product, and I absolutely love it. It is amazing. The curls on it are super, super pretty. It can get really big if you want, or you can tame it and just don't touch it once you've put water and your styling products and that kind of stuff on it, and it will remain kind of like, I guess you can say, flat. I like mine to have a little bit of volume, not too much, because I'm not trying to be overwhelmed with hair, but I do like a little bit of volume. So once it was finished air drying, I did kind of just run my fingers through it just a little bit, because if you run your fingers through it too much, it will get frizzy. So it's really up to you. I'm gonna pop this thing on. I have already slicked my hair back. I have a little bun in the back. I did my edges, y'all. Okay, your baby hair is like, this is an artwork. You know, having all the little swoop-de-doops is not for everybody. It is definitely not for me. I tried it. This is not a good look for me. So all I did was slick everything back. I did one swoop over here and one little swoop-de-doop over there, and that's all we're gonna do. So the way I like to put mine on is very simple. You just take the wig, I flip it, I grab the headband part, place it where I want it. I also have a mirror down here, so like that. As you can see, the ends of the headband are here, like that. And then I take the back comb and I push that up, and it is pretty much already on, as you can see, and we looking good. Okay, we are cute. So then what I like to do is I will simply flip my head over so that I can tie it. That didn't work very well. Whew. Okay, so I've gone ahead and tied the little knot in the back. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Don't talk about my kitchen, okay? I'm gonna try to turn around and hopefully you guys can see. It's just a little knot, which I like, right back here. Now the comb is right here. And as you can see, the headband. Okay. And the front pretty much looks like this. The headband is black, which I like, because if I don't want to wear one that has print or a different color, like it already comes with a black one, which looks nice. And it just goes right behind my ears like this. And we're good. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail. Not a ponytail, like a half up, half down style, so you guys can see that. And then I'm going to, I think I'll wet down well, I don't really want to wet it down, but I will wet down like a section so you guys can see what it looks like when it's wet. Oh, uh-oh, y'all see that? It's kind of tangling. Actually, that is a big knot. But I mean, this is curly hair, so even with, you know, your real hair, if you have curly hair, I just feel like you should treat it the same, and you may or may not get those types of knots. I haven't like detangled it or anything in like 3 days since I did the wash and condition. So this is just one way you can wear. Oh, that's cute. Oh, she's cute. Okay. One thing I will say though is if it's not like super snug or tight enough, doing these types of styles, you're gonna just snatch it off. So this is all the hair pulled to the front, and this is what this looks like. The edge control that I use is the edge booster. I think this is like strawberry scent. I don't really know, but you guys have, if you use this, you have to be very careful, because if you use too much, it will cake up and leave white residue, which I am seeing like right here. So if you guys see that, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is one way you can wear the hair. Honestly, I'll probably be wearing it like this, mostly down, because I think it's a really cute down. This is a really fun style as well. It makes me look very youthful. Okay, so now I am just going to wet a section. I have noticed now, since playing with it, it does get like tangled, but it's not like you know, the end of the world for me, because this is curly hair. It is a kinky texture. The density of this, if I didn't mention it before, it is 180% density. So I'm gonna put my towel so my shirt doesn't get wet. Yeah, curly hair is going to tangle. Even if you have, you know, curly hair, you obviously would know. So it's not like the end all be all. It's not something that I feel you can't get out. There's not like huge knots in it and things like that. So this is just water and conditioner. I'm gonna wet this down so you guys can see side by side what the volume looks like when you wet it down. Okay, so I have finished wetting down this side. As you can see, still very pretty, but obviously this side has more volume. It's a more fluffy, and this is a lot more flat. I don't like it like this. It just looks limp. I prefer it when it's air dried and giving me a lot of volume and a lot of life, but not too much volume. All right, so this is what it looks like with a different headband. I just put on the leopard print one because this is what I like, and I feel like I could wear it with this top as well. And I just think it is really cute. Other than that, you guys, I really love the hair. I mean, it tangles a little bit, but that is going to be with any curly hair that you have. You shouldn't be running your fingers through it and that kind of stuff. The headband in the back is just a little too big, but I've already fixed that, so I don't have any issues. Other than that, it is great. I do think it is true to length as well. I got it in a 22, so all the way stretched out. It comes pretty far down. I am actually thinking about cutting it, but I'm gonna leave it at this length for a little while and just kind of rock it how it is. I do think it's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It will be linked in the description box below as well for you guys, so you can get your hands on it. I got it in less than 24 hours off of Amazon Prime, so go get it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry if it was all over the board. I'm just like, I don't know, I haven't done a wig review before, and I don't know, I'm just like super excited. I just think it's really cute, and I have a lot of energy today. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.